Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've been searching for your old Universal Analytics UA tracking code or need to find your measurement ID inside Google Analytics 4, you're in the right place. Whether you're updating your website, troubleshooting tags, or just double-checking your setup, I'll walk you through the exact steps, clearly and quickly. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly where to locate both your UA tracking code and your GA4 measurement ID. Let's dive in. Sign into your Google account. First, open your web browser and go to google.com. In the top right corner, click Sign In and log in with the Google account that's linked to your analytics property. Open Google Analytics. Once you're signed in, click the grid icon. That's the Google Apps menu in the top right corner. From the drop-down, select Google Analytics. This will open the Analytics dashboard for all your properties. Access the admin panel. In the lower left corner of your analytics screen, you'll see a gear icon labeled Admin. Click it to enter the settings area where all the important property details are stored. Locate your GA4 measurement ID inside the admin section. Look for data streams under the Data Collection and Modification section. Click Data Streams, then choose the stream connected to your website or app. On the Details page, you'll find your measurement ID. This is your GA4 tracking code, and it usually starts with a G, followed by numbers and letters. Copy this ID if you need it for your website, tag manager, or any integrations. Find your old UA tracking code if it still exists. If you also need the older Universal Analytics UA ID, go back to the admin panel. Under Property Settings, look for any property that starts with UA-. If you see it, that's your classic Universal Analytics tracking code. Remember, Google officially sunset UA in 2023, so not every account will still display this, but if you migrated your old data, it may still be visible for reference. And that's it. In just a few clicks, you can find both your GA4 measurement ID and check if your Universal Analytics tracking code is still available. If this guide helped you, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials to keep your analytics and website running smoothly. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.